Hi, this is Rakesh Udiyar and you're watching Bollywood Hangama.
Everything you want is on the other side of fear. This is the golden mantra of Rakesh Udiyar, and he's the man who's majorly being talked about right now because he has trained Salman Khan for Sultan, and he's the trainer for Amir Khan in Dangal, and he's with us today. Rakesh, first of all, having you.
Even Charan, Ram Charan.
Ram Charan as well.
Yeah. And Dhruva, you will see his Ram Charan.
Dhruva, I think it's being talked about majorly.
Yeah.
So pleasure having you on board now, first of all, Rakesh. And yeah, अगर आपने जो बोला है that everything you want is on the other side of fear.
Yeah.
कुछ इसके बारे में आप बताना चाहेंगे?
डर होना चाहिए और हर लोगों को एक अपना डर होता है. किसी को जॉब जाने का डर होता है, किसी को अगर वो जॉब जाने का डर है तो ही वो काम करेगा. अगर वो डर नहीं है तो वो काम नहीं करेगा उस हम्बल से या उस ऑनेस्टी से. तो डर हर एक इंसान में होता है, हर एक चीज का डर होता है. किसी को काम से लेके हर एक, लाइक यू कैन टेक इट वर्ड एंड इट्स देयर.
राइट. ओके. एंड राकेश नायक, हर कोई बात कर रहा है कि दैट आमिर का जो ड्रामेटिक टर्न अराउंड है, इनफैक्ट 32% फैट से 9.67% फैट पे आना विद इन 5 months, इट इज अमेजिंग. एंड उनका जाना जाता है कि जिस तरीके से कितने वो हार्ड वर्किंग है, एंड इट्स ब्रिलियंट. बट कुछ लोगों का, मैंने पिक्चर अपने फेसबुक मैंने पोस्ट करी थी, तो कुछ लोगों को उसमें बहुत से लोगों का था कि अमेजिंग रिस्पांस था, बट कुछ लोगों का ये भी कहना था कि ये क्या इसने स्टेरॉइड्स उन्होंने लिया है. एंड फिर अभी आज एक रणवीर करके एक रणवीर आलाबादी, आई थिंक दिस सम गाय, he has posted on his Facebook, which has been taken by some media publications as well, where he's saying that it's practically not possible to have this physique without having steroids.
Why?
So yeah, so exactly.
So my question is why? Why is not possible? What amount of weight? Generally, we'll talk. What amount of weight sir lost? I'm asking you.
You know, in fact, someone in my office asked me the same thing. मुझसे पूछ रहे थे, तो मैंने उनको बताया कि actually I lost around 10 kgs in 2 months. When my father passed away, तो क्या होता है कि अगर आपके फैमिली में कुछ ऐसा हादसा होता है, तो आपको फिटनेस की तरफ एक आपको हेल्थ का आपको वैल्यू होता है,
मेंटली आपको बैलेंस करना.
Exactly. And मैंने प्रोटीन शेक and nothing I've taken. I lost around 10 kgs. I lost 4 inches on my stomach.
Okay.
So मैंने उनको भी बताया कि मैंने तो पर्सनली खुद मैंने देखा हुआ है कि मैंने 10 किलो मैंने करीबन दो महीने मैंने लूज किया था. इट्स प्राइमरली कि आप डाइट का आप ध्यान रखें एंड जस्ट बी रेगुलर विद एक्सरसाइज.
एग्जैक्टली ये आंसर है कि आप क्या खा रहे हो. व्हाट यू ईट दैट शोज ऑन योर बॉडी. वेरी सिंपल लॉजिक. पीपल डोंट अंडरस्टैंड साइंस बिहाइंड द फूड, हाउ बॉडी फूड कैन चेंज योर बॉडी. आपने जैसे कहा 5 किलो, अगर ये 5 किलो भी नहीं, मैं 4 किलो पकड़ के चलता हूँ, बहुत हेल्दी है उसके. इन अ वीक आपको कितना लूज करना होगा? 1 kg?
Right.
1 kg is a lot to lose? I don't think so.
You know, I was telling my team members that एक बार आपको एक हैबिट हो जाए.
Exactly.
I can lose 1 kg in 1 day.
Yeah.
Seriously.
See, people depends on people.
Because आपको बॉडी का आइडिया हो जाता है.
Exactly. You come.
If you run, अगर आप रनिंग करें तो रनिंग से बहुत कार्डियो होता है अच्छे तरीके से.
Exactly. So अगर in a week you can lose 1 kilo. In 4 weeks you'll lose what? 4 kgs.
Correct.
In 24 weeks, how many you'll lose? 24 kilos.
Correct.
So it's not a big target. So इस सब चीजों के लिए I don't think so you need a steroid.
Right.
Or you need substances. I understand his age factor, but you have to understand when your food comes on the place, definitely your hormones also play the role. If you eat proper food, if you eat properly, if you sleep properly, I don't know what other fellow says or other scene says. We have seen it last 6 months or 5 months with sir. I never seen it somebody's doing. Yeah, unless you're a bodybuilder. नॉर्मल इंसान से नहीं होगा. अगर आप नहीं कर पाते हो तो दूसरों को ब्लेम मत कीजिए, पहले खुद कीजिए और फिर दूसरों को ब्लेम कीजिए.
करेक्ट.
आई फील दैट वे. सेकेंड, नॉट पॉसिबल ऐसा कोई वर्ड ही नहीं. आप चाहे वो कर सकते हो. It's not, there's nothing called impossible.
Right. So you're saying that you being his fitness trainer, that Amir has not taken any steroids?
No. See, you have to understand, we have a team. when I was not there, Mr. Rahul Bhatt was there. He is my husband's son. He's well known in fitness.
Correct.
He has a good knowledge of bodybuilding. He has a good knowledge of, as a trainer, he has a very good knowledge internationally. Myself, I'll do last 10 years of bodybuilding.
जी.
And I do prep coaching also online. So food is a key, is a factor which change your body. If you take in substances and sitting at home, do you think your body will come in that shape?
Absolutely not.
Or if you not eat food and if you're taking those substances, do you think process will happen?
Definitely not.
I don't think so. It's just a waste. If somebody's taking also, it's just a waste. As a bodybuilder, I'm telling you.
Exactly, because if
It's the healthiest way we lost the weight. It was a process. When PK was ending, in that time, we already had a conversation with sir कि कैसे चलेंगे हम लोग, क्योंकि if you see in PK, he has a good body. That time, nobody came and said, "Arey, this transformation done it by medication or blah 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 X Y Z."
correct.
In Gajni also we did it. If you see, he's keep doing those things.
Absolutely. PK he has done. He has done
PK
it.
he has done it.
Doom 3 he has done.
Doom 3 he's done it. And then now, again, a new movie we are doing it.
Right.
But that will be a totally different aspect.
Tons of Hindustan.
Like, yeah, that will be a different transformation.
Correct.
यहाँ पे उनको wrestler लगना था. The way he put on, the way he lost. As simple as that. Two things we kept it in mind. The time we'll putting on weight, the same amount will build his muscles.
Right.
So for us, it was easy. Dr. Dhurendra has been done a very good job to made his calorie deficiency diet. Let's start from 2,500, then 2,000. The way slowly he start cutting his calories. Definitely, when you do deficit, you lose weight, you lose fat.
राकेश आमिर हम लोग लुधियाना गए थे ऑन लोकेशन के लिए, तो उसके बाद फिर आमिर ने रात में मीडिया के साथ में एक ऑफ द कैमरा उनका काफ़ी लंबा उनका कॉन्वर्सेशन हुआ था, तो उसमें उन्होंने बताया था कि आपके बारे में भी जिक्र कर रहे थे कि दैट सलमान वाज एक्सट्रीमली जनरस की दैट यू शुड टेक राकेश एंड ही विल हेल्प यू आउट इन अ बिग वे, एंड फिर उसके बाद जब सलमान को जरूरत थी फिर उसके बाद सलमान ने उनको
हुआ क्या, हम लोगों ने प्रोसेस तो स्टार्ट कर दिया. इट वाज जर्नी स्टार्टेड, वी स्टार्ट ट्रेनिंग है ना
जी.
एंड एज ऑलवेज भाई जब भी मुझे बुलाते हैं मैं देयर फॉर इट. सो तभी उनके मूवी में ऐसा हुआ था, उनको बॉडी शॉट फर्स्ट कंप्लीट करना था और रेस्ट ऑफ अदर शूट. सो उनका प्रोसेस ही ट्रेनिंग की वजह से चालू हो गया था और कैंप्स लगे थे, बाहर से भी काफ़ी लोग आए हुए थे, प्रोफेशनल रेसलर आए हुए थे, MMA फाइटर्स आए हुए थे.
करेक्ट.
तो उनकी भी डेट्स थी और उनकी भी डेडलाइन थी. हॉलीवुड एक्शन डायरेक्टर आया हुआ था, सो उसको भी कंप्लीट करना था. तो सर को उस वक्त काफ़ी ज़रूरत थी, भाई को स्पेशली, एंड ही वाज स्टार्टेड ट्रेनिंग एंड देन आई हैव टू गो देयर. तो उस प्रोसेस को ख़त्म करने के लिए देन मैंने आके सर से पूछा, मैंने सर भाई इज कॉलिंग मी, आई हैव टू गो. सर ही सेड या यू गो फर्स्ट भाई एंड देन यू फिनिश, लेट मी नो.
राइट.
सो मैं प्रोसेस हम लोगों ने चालू किया, डाइट सर ट्रेनिंग चालू हो गया. सो ही आस्क्ड मी कि हु कैन आई ट्रेन विद. देन ही थॉट अबाउट Rahul Bhatt. So he said, he's a good guy, he's a good knowledge, so you can. So Rahul Bhatt जी ने वहाँ से स्टार्ट किया.
राइट.
तो आई थिंक वो कुछ 3 या 4 मंथ चला और फिर जैसे ही सुल्तान ख़त्म हो गई तो मैंने कॉल किया था सर को कि सर आई एम डन विद सुल्तान. He said, yeah, you can come back. And then we started weight loss का session.
राइट. इनफैक्ट वीडियो जो अभी जो आया है जिसमें सारा आई थिंक ऑलमोस्ट 2 करोड़ वीडियो व्यूज अपेरेंटली शायद उसके मेरे ख्याल से हो चुके हैं विद इन नो टाइम. उसमें जैसे आप कह रहे हैं कि दैट आपने उनसे बोला कि दैट आपने वेट कम कर दिया, बट एक्चुअली आपने वेट बढ़ा दिया था शायद.
नहीं, वो मैं एक ट्रिक करता था. हाँ, जब you have to understand when you're fat, it's very difficult to bend over, lift things, because your breathing goes heavier and you get tired fast.
Sure.
So what used to happen, now I have to break down his muscle. So मैं compound movements ज़्यादा कराता था उनको जैसे बैक हो गया, लेग्स हो गए, हैवी ड्यूटी, रियली हैवी ड्यूटी। और सर कभी ना नहीं बोलते थे उन चीज़ों को। पर मुझे ये भी ख्याल रखना पड़ता था कि इंजर नहीं हो जाए, उसकी काफ़ी 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 हम लोगों ने ख्याल रखे। इफ़ यू सी इन द स्क्वाटिंग वीडियो ऑल्सो, यू सी 2 मैन नेक्स्ट टू मी एंड
Yes.
देन आई एम देयर बिहाइंड हिम। सो वो एज जैसे बॉडी बिल्डर का प्रोसेस होता है, द वे बॉडी बिल्डर ट्रेन, आई शू ट्रेन हिम लाइक हिट ट्रेनिंग। इवन द राहुल, when Rahul was there, he used to train him similar like I do. So intense training करते थे। और फिर एक ऐसा पार्ट आ जाता था, he used to say नहीं अब I can't do it, I can't do it. I said okay sir, what we'll do, we'll not increase the weight, we'll keep the weight same and we'll do the same set. So he used to say okay give me some time like 2 minutes. So 1 मिनट मैंने उनको एक्स्ट्रा दे दिया, said चलो सर we'll perform at this. और सर आगे बोले ठीक है। सर ने सेट ले लिया, सेट मारना स्टार्ट किया, जोश में मार लिया, 6 रेपिटेशन थे, मार लिए, कंप्लीट करके रख दिया। सर आपको कुछ बताना था कि मैंने ये वेट बढ़ा भी दिया था और आपने 2 रेपिटेशन ज़्यादा। सर ऐसे कैसे हो गया? ये ट्रिक है जो मैंने आपके साथ यूज़ की है। और मैं हमेशा ये धीरे धीरे धीरे, नाउ ही नोज व्हेन आई एम इंक्रीजिंग और व्हेन आई एम डिक्रीजिंग, ही नोज। आके पूछते हैं बड़ा है क्या?
राइट।
तो उन दौरान मुझे ये सब करना पड़े ताकि वो मोटिवेट हो सके, वो पुश कर सके अपने आप को, अपना उनका खुद का रिकॉर्ड। इफ आई डोंट नो इफ दे विल गिव यू द वीडियो, देयर इज वन वीडियो वेयर ही इज डूइंग हेड स्क्वाट मोर देन 750 पाउंड।
माय गॉड, माय गॉड,
you can think about it.
In fact, I just spoke to Rahul, and Rahul said a very interesting thing that all those people who were saying about the steroids factor, that I can tell them that I can give them the steroid, and even after that, they can't perform the sort of transformation.
This is what I'm saying.
This is not.
This is what first thing I said. I'll give you everything. Can you do it? Can you do it? Or can you lift? Are you lift? I don't know. The people comes over and they want to educate in so many ways. I don't know. They even go to the gym. So yeah, Rahul is right. If we can give them totally whatever he wants, and he cannot come next to even what 30% to it. बात करना बहुत आसान है.
Absolutely.
But when you come across and when you start training it, the way you go, it is difficult. As a professional bodybuilder, I'm telling you, it is difficult. I played it 2014 in Mumbai. It was difficult for me to, perform again. Again, I'm doing in 2018. So we take a break and we do. और sir ने ये 6 महीने में किया. I really had to talk to him और बहुत respect करता हूँ उनकी कि the way he done it. Even जब भी मैंने उनको 345 each side squat करना था, I said sir this is 345 and you have to perform. He never said no. I said okay, I'll try my best. ऐसे करके.
And were there injuries? Because जब आप इतना heavy weights अगर आप करेंगे तो उसमें
you have to take care of it. Those things you have to understand your posture, the way you go down, the supporting factor. A lot of things that get involved. If your posture is correct, you're gone. Your back spine has to be really straight down, chest up, breathing techniques. There are a lot of things that are involved. If you see in a video the proper manner where the way I used to really shout behind him, come on, strong, 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 strong. That voice is
Motivation.
to make him more motivated, like push. Yeah, my trainer is pushing. And he used to,
right. In fact, I think the beginning part must have been the toughest because when after gaining so much of weight,
when we started putting on, see, we're not only putting on the weights, we have to put it on the muscles also simultaneously.
For the older version, right?
So what we have planned it कि हम लोग gain करेंगे, but gain करेंगे muscle के साथ भी. Fat आएगा उसके साथ. Definitely when you increase your muscle mass, definitely your fat percentage is also increased.
Sure.
So उनको एक छूट थी कि वो कुछ भी खा सकते थे उन दौरान. And during those days he used to eat whatever he wants. But there was some diet which is calorie deficit. Slowly and progressively, we seen it how every month he was changing.
Correct.
So the way he came up, the same way we came down. It's not a one day's process. इट्स अ होल ईयर। अगर उनको 3 से 4 महीना या 5 महीना पुट ऑन करने में लगा तो उसे 6 महीने लगे भी है उतारने में।
बिल्कुल, absolutely. Okay, now coming to Salman as well, for Sultan, I think maybe Salman has never ever, I think, worked so hard maybe on his physique the way he has worked for Sultan.
जी जी।
It was extremely tiring.
I'll tell you one thing where he started with the 100 kicks and that becomes 1000. He used to practice that way. He used to get tired, literally tired. So he said, "Chalo, we'll go and train." He used to train and then sleep. Both of them, I never seen him say no. एक होता है ना कि नहीं यार बस खत्म करो, अब स्टार के सामने आप क्या बात करोगे? What do you say? They will always say नहीं करेंगे, चलो let's go. They're always motivated.
एक और चीज जो कि इम्पोर्टेंट है, मे बी आई थिंक व्यूअर्स को शायद देखना चाहेंगे, जानना चाहेंगे, दैट कंसिडरिंग दैट आमिर को इतने कम टाइम में लूज करना था इतना बॉडी परसेंटेज, जो अमाउंट ऑफ कैलोरीज जो इनका इनटेक था वो कंपैरेटिवली काफी कम होना था,
Yeah, see,
which was not
it is
easy.
planned that way, no? So when you start using 3000 calories to increase your muscle mass and weight, the way you go up, the way you have to come down. You have to deficit your calories. So the way you increase your calories, you have to deficit your calories
accordingly only.
accordingly. So अगर हम लोगों ने प्लान किया 6 महीने ऊपर जाएंगे तो सेकंड प्लान आउट था कि 6 महीने में नीचे भी आएंगे।
6 महीने में नीचे भी आएंगे। Fantastic. We have like a rapid fire for you as well.
Okay.
Rapid fire with Rakesh Udayar. Fittest actor and actress in Bollywood today.
Actress and actor. But I can't say one name. You want me to say only one?
You can take more names.
Oh, fittest actors. Salman Khan, Amir Khan, Akshay Kumar, Ranveer Singh, John Abraham.
Actress?
Actress, Deepika Padukone. Mind blowing. Alia Bhatt. Recently, Priyanka Chopra and Priyanka Chopra's sister.
Parineeti.
Parineeti. She has done fantastic job.
Yeah, she has. Alright, an actor from Bollywood you think should seriously hit the gym right away?
Seriously, I think these days everybody is health conscious. I think everybody is going to the gym.
Correct.
So I don't want to pinpoint anyone, but yeah, please go to the gym. At least do morning walk.
If given a chance, which actor or actress from Bollywood you'd like to spend some time with in gym?
Ranveer Kapoor. Recently he is trying to do some, I think, physics. Yeah, definitely 1-2 session with him. I really want to show what new things we can.
Actress?
Actress, Deepika.
True or false? Bollywood needs to stay fitter than what it is now. Bollywood में fitness conscious on होना चाहिए.
Yes, true.
Who from Bollywood you think is a perfect fit to perform action stunts as an actor and an actress?
Akshay Kumar. He's a kind of guy who can do action.
Actress?
I think Priyanka has done it. Even Deepika.
Which action film from Hollywood you think should be remade in India and who should star in it?
Fast and Furious. I think the first part and then second last part. What was second last where Rock comes in?
Yeah, Rock was in I think 7 as well, right?
I think 6 he came, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He was there in 7 as well.
Yeah, because I see Sanju and then Salman sir and then Amir and then few of them more.
Great. 3 tips for the youth of today aspiring to build their body.
Please follow the diet. Please understand diet is key. If you follow diet, you can achieve anything. Supplements and substances will come much later. If you cannot follow the diet, I don't think so you can achieve what you want. The diet is a key. I'll tell you a must as a bodybuilder, we have to do 6 meals in a day, sometimes 7. So when we come in a condition, when we go on the show, so we have to do a lot of sacrifices. But you guys, if you eat healthier way and if you eat a good amount of calories, particularly balance-based diet, that will be I'll refer. Balance-based diet, good amount of fat. Right now people are saying, yeah, ketosis is fine, but you have to understand, ketosis also has a hidden carbs. So it has to be balanced.
Absolutely. One thing one should never try in the process of shaping up. कौन सी ऐसी चीज है जो कि नहीं करना चाहिए जब आप shaping up करना है?
10 लोगों का मत सुनिए. Hire a guy who has a good knowledge. first thing. Hire a guy who have been done it with a lot of people. Hire a guy who can give you time to time. He can come on your time or whatever suits you. Those kind of at least you can hire a certified trainer. Simple as that. Who knows the anatomy.
Sure. Okay, and who are the other people that you're training right now? You said Ramcharan.
Ramcharan's Duas, we just finished it. 9th, I think they have a release. So his transformation is my online client. He's been done it. He has his trainer called Praveen. So I have to send him his diet, training routine, and every weekly I take his pictures and see his protocol. And recently on Diwali days, I was not at my home, but I was doing Diwali there, doing his last sequence, like last 40 days I have to go and train him there for that look.
Correct. And anyone else apart from that, Ramcharan? Amir, you're doing for Thugs of Hindustan.
Yeah, even Amir, I'm doing Thugs of Hindustan. Salman sir is my family.
Tubelight.
My house.
Tubelight.
Yeah, Tubelight. See, I can't say that. He's my trainer. He's my mentor, I can say. He guides me a lot of places. He asks me a few questions. And he's more than me, he's a mentor for me.
Absolutely.
He's always mentor for everyone. But in fitness industry also something is wrong. It's like, why this is not happening? It's like last time there was a competition was happening with Jarai Classic. और फर्स्ट टाइम वो लोगों ने हैंडीकैप लोगों के लिए करा था और हम लोग बहुत टाइट स्केड्यूल में चले थे हम यशराज के साथ. आई थिंक यशराज में शूट चलती थी. हम लोग गए और रिक्वेस्ट किया था सर ऐसे हैंडीकैप का कंपटीशन होने से आई विल कम व्हाटएवर टाइम आई गेट फ्री आई विल कम. द वे ही केम एंड पीपल गॉट more enthusiastic and they started coming. The ratings, I've seen it on the Facebook or everywhere. It was really high and that's a motivated. Like last year जो लड़का जीत गया था वो शायद इस साल इंडिया को रिप्रेजेंट करेगा आउटसाइड कंट्री. बहुत सारे लड़के जो मेरे पास भी हैं जिनको मैं बॉडी बिल्डिंग प्रेप करता हूँ, जो बॉडी बिल्डर्स हैं वो भी इस वक्त December they will go and perform for India.
Great. राकेश, बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करने के लिए. आई थिंक बहुत लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस भी था पर्सनली मेरे लिए भी. एंड लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू जस्ट आपके और बेहतरीन आपके इसी तरीके से आप काम करते रहिए. एंड आई एम श्योर दैट मोर एंड मोर पीपल फ्रॉम बॉलीवुड एंड अदर इंडस्ट्रीज will keep on benefiting.
Anyone. I'm not kind of guy you call me and I'll not pick the phone. I'm a guy where you can easily I can available for you. Anywhere you can call me and say like yeah.
Fantastic. Thank you, man. Thanks a lot. Thank you, pleasure. Thanks a lot. That's all we have from Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.